David Wofford here, co-chair of the Rotary Nature Center Friends, the Rotary Nature Center and Wildlife Refuge in Lake Merritt. And I'm going to try to capture what I'm doing. I'm here inside the duck pond, and the freshwater pool, or pond, I should say, the primary one has been drained in order for these filters underneath it to be cleaned out so that the water can flow through. A little water has been left over here, but it's stagnant and not as clean as it could be. Those drains haven't been cleaned over there in some time as well. So there are these trays here inside the area that I'm today filling. Well, we try to keep them filled pretty regularly with fresh water so that there's extra water beyond the ponds if needed for the birds and ducks and geese to drink and or bathe with. And these have been here for so long that, they're all familiar with their locations and they come for the fresh water. And I just want to show you how this is accomplished this morning and whenever we do it, like this, step by step. Let me capture that. I'm usually a little better at it with two hands, but so then we just take this and walk it over to one of the pans. Over and around. As you can see, it's pretty quiet here, about 10 a.m. on a Tuesday morning. And there we go. Fresh water for the wildlife at the duck ponds at the Wildlife Refuge at Lake Merritt. Now, this is going to take a few trips. This is David Wofford down at the Wildlife Refuge at Lake Merritt next to the Rotary Nature Center. Over and out.